This dance is called Nowhere Tonight. It's a 64 count, full wall, improve a level line dance. Starting off on the right foot with an extended syncopated vine to our right. So it's side, behind side, cross, side, rock back, recover, kick, ball, cross. Try that once more. Off to the right. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross. Similar but not quite the same set of steps going to the left. So it's side, behind side, cross, side. At this point you're going to make a quarter turn right, rock it back on that right, recover your weight on the left, kick, ball, change. So that last section again, extended syncopated vine to our left. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, rock, turn, kick, ball, change. So remember you're turning that quarter as you're rocking back, recover your weight on the left. Add those two sections together. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change. Step forward diagonally on your right, touch the left, shuffle yourself diagonally to the left, and repeat. Step diagonally to the right on the right, touch the left, shuffle yourself diagonally forward. Add that to the top. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left, shuffle, step, touch, left, shuffle. From here, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. You're going to make 2 shuffle half turns going backwards. If you don't want to do the turns, shuffle back right, shuffle back left. Otherwise, follow me. This is shuffle half turn, shuffle half turn. To finish that section, you're going to rock back. You're going to make a quarter turn right as you rock to the side, recover your weight on that left. So that last little section, we just finished doing a left shuffle. So we rock forward on that right. So it's forward rock, half shuffle turn, rock to the side, and recover, making that quarter turn. Okay, let's add that to the top, we're halfway. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left, shuffle, step, touch, left, shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, back, rock. Okay, so doing that turn rock at the end. From here, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, quarter turn into a quarter turn in left chasse. So try that section once more. So you cross the right, step to the side with the left, sailor step on the spot, cross left over right, quarter turn left, stepping back on that right, further quarter turn, stepping the left to the side into a chasse. Repeat those steps. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, turn, chasse. So you end up virtually back where you started before you did those last 2 sections. Let's add that onto the top. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball change, step, touch, left shuffle, step, touch, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé. From here, step forward on the right, point the left, step forward on the left, point the right. A jazz box quarter turn, cross, back, turn, close. Add the last bit on because it's nice and easy. A rocking chair off on the right, and then 2-step pivot halves. So step, pivot half, step, pivot half. Again, if you don't want to do that last set of 2-step pivot halves, just do 2 rocking chairs. So those last 2 sections then. Stepping forward on the right with the points. So it's step, point, jazz box quarter turn, rocking chair, step pivot half, step pivot half. That's the end of the dance. You start again. So let's put it all together from the top. Half on the right, extended syncopated vine. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left shuffle, step, touch, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, step, point, jazz box, quarter turn, rocking chair, step, pivot half, step, pivot half, start the dance again. Okay, so that's your teach through. Let's try the next 3 walls, and then we'll give it a go to some music. Extended syncopated vine to the right. 7, 8, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left shuffle, step, touch, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, step, point, jazz, box, quarter, turn, rocking chair, step, pivot half, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, turn, rock, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left shuffle, step, touch, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, turn, chassé, step, point, jazz, box, quarter turn, rocking chair, step, pivot half, side, behind side, cross, side, back, rock, kick, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, rock, turn, kick, ball, change, step, touch, left shuffle, step, touch, left shuffle, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, rock, cross, side, sailor, cross, turn, chassé, cross, side, sailor, cross, turn, chassé, step, point, jazz, box, quarter step, rocking chair, step, pivot half, start the dance again. Hope you're all good with that. Let's give it a go to some music. Behind side, cross side, back, rock, Well done. Hope you got that one.